In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently manage and resize images is crucial for creating compelling websites that look great on any device. Elementor offers a straightforward yet powerful approach to customizing image sizes directly within its editor. So let's dive in and explore how you can master this essential skill. To begin, you'll want to open the Elementor editor and select the image widget. This widget allows you to add and manipulate images on your web page seamlessly. Once you have the image widget selected, you'll notice a variety of options in the left panel designed to help you tailor the image to your needs. You'll want to navigate specifically to the Style tab, and from there, head over to the Size section within this left panel. This is where the magic happens. Here you can set the width for your image. The flexibility here is vast. You can specify this in percentages, like 50%, or in pixels, such as 300px, or opt for a full-width image by setting it to 100%. Choosing the right width depends largely on the design and layout of your specific project, so feel free to experiment with different widths to see what fits best. Additionally, you have the option to define a max width or min width. This allows you to effectively constrain the image's scaling behavior, ensuring that as the viewer's screen size changes, the image maintains its intended appearance within those parameters. At this point, setting a height is optional, but it does unlock another level of control. For instance, if you decide to set the height, say, at 400 pixels, you gain access to the Object Fit control. This feature allows you to specify how the image should behave within its container. If you opt to set the height, you'll have several object fit options to choose from. For a seamless fill of the container where some cropping may occur around the edges, the cover option is ideal. Contain is great when you need the entire image to fit within the container, even if it means leaving some space around it. Other options like fill, none, and scale down offer additional resizing behaviors, giving you a comprehensive toolkit to achieve the exact look you desire. Lastly, use the object position settings to adjust the focal area of your image. For example, you might choose a center top position if there is a specific part of the image you want to highlight. These controls empower you to convey the right visual impact. With these steps, you now have a clear path to resizing images in Elementor effectively. It's about finding the right balance for your design, exploring the settings, and applying them creatively to enhance your web page's appeal.